To fix the issue of Uber Eats not letting you add a card, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the app from functioning correctly. Next, verify that your card information is correct and up to date. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code to ensure they are accurate. If you have recently received a new card, make sure to update the information in the app. If you are still having trouble, try restarting the Uber Eats app or uninstalling and reinstalling it. This can often resolve any technical issues that may be preventing you from adding a card. Another possible solution is to check if your card is supported by Uber Eats. The app accepts most major credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. If you are trying to add a prepaid card or a card from a smaller bank, it may not be supported. In addition, ensure that your card has not been flagged for suspicious activity or has not been reported lost or stolen. If your card has been flagged, you will need to contact your bank to resolve the issue before you can add it to the app. It is also a good idea to check the Uber Eats app for any updates. If the app is outdated, it may not be compatible with your device or card, which can prevent you from adding a card. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try adding a different card to the app. If you are able to add a different card, the problem may be with the original card, and you will need to contact your bank to resolve the issue. Finally, if you are still having trouble, contact Uber Eats customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to add a card to the app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Uber Eats not letting you add a card and get back to ordering your favorite food. Remember to always keep your card information up to date and ensure that your card is supported by the app to avoid any future issues.